Very good morning, students. Today I am here with the topic position of adverbs. When we use adverbs in the sentence, it's quite confusing that where to put adverb, because there are different kind of adverbs and which one should come before, which one should come later. We are quite confused. So here I am going to clear your all the doubts about position of adverbs in a sentence. Let's begin. First, usually the verb and the place go together. Means if you want to use or if you want to specify the task or the action is going where means the place. So where you should put the adverb related to place just immediately after the verb, like live in the city, walk to the school, go home. So live, walk and go are verbs, and immediately after we have placed adverbs which are showing the place where. Second, if the verb has an object, the place comes after the object. Like sometimes we have object also. Take somebody home, meet someone on the road. So somebody and someone are here object. Now where to take them or where to meet them? So the place we have specified immediately after the object. Now rule number 3, time normally goes after the place. Now suppose if you have been given verb, then place and then time, then where to put time? So let's see in the example. I have been in India since April. Okay, so here I have been in India. First, what you have placed here? Place. And second, you have placed time, that you are here since April. We arrived at Mumbai at midnight. So first the place will go and later the time will go. We can put time at the beginning of the sentence also sometimes, right? Like if I want to say, next morning we are leaving for Kolkata. Every morning the old man goes to the temple to pray. Next morning we are planning to be at your place. So here next morning, next Monday, every morning, what are these? These are the words which are indicating time, and we have placed them at the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes some other kind of adverbs also you can put, like sometimes, unfortunately. These kind of adverbs also you can place immediately at the beginning of the sentence. Like unfortunately we could not see sunset from the hilltop. Sometimes I watch television late at night. Okay. Now if it comes in the sentence that the kind of or the manner, place and time together in a sentence, then what are we supposed to do? So here is the format. Look at it. Subject plus verb plus adverb of manner will go first, then it will be followed by place, and at the last we'll put time. Now time can be placed at the beginning of the sentence also. Okay, so let's see example. They worked hard in the fields the whole month. Now they is subject, worked is verb, hard is adverb of manner, in the fields is the place given here, and the whole month is time. Look at some more examples. He spoke well at the meeting yesterday. So how he spoke? He spoke well means manner, where at the meeting, and time is yesterday. If I say Peter sang the song happily in the bathroom yesterday evening. So here Peter, subject, sang, verb, what he sang, that is the song happily. Happily, adverb of manner, place in the bathroom, and yesterday evening will be the time. So how it will go? It will go first manner, place, and later time. Now, fourth rule. Adverbs can be placed after is, am, are or was, were, means after helping verb also in some of the sentences, like you are always on time or you are always late. Traffic is usually heavy at this hour. So here we have placed adverb immediately after are and is. They are placed before verb if verb consists of one word. So sometimes adverb can be placed before the verb if the sentence is not having any helping verb, like she nearly lost all her wealth. So lost is the verb and nearly is the adverb, just placed before verb. He almost surrendered. Now he almost surrendered means almost is the adverb, came before the verb. Rule number 6. If the verb consists of more than one word, they are placed after first word. Now, if the sentence has any helping verb like is, am, are or was, were, and also the main verb, then adverb should be placed. She was usually satisfied with my work. So what here we can see, the adverb is placed in between helping verb and main verb, was and satisfied. I have always supported you. Have is helping verb, always is adverb, and supported is main verb here. Now, seventh rule, adverbs are placed before the verbs have to and used to. If the sentence has the words like have to, had to, or has to, or used to, so the adverb will place before these helping verbs. Like I often had to go without meals. She always used to get up late on Sunday mornings. So always and often are adverbs placed before had to and used to. Now, one thing you should all remember always, that we can never put an adverb between the verb and the object. Like, take the example, we play often handball. Or if I say, we often play handball. So what it should be? It should be we often play handball, because adverb should be placed before the verb, and here often is immediately placed before the verb play in the second sentence, but in the first it is placed in between verb and the object, and that is wrong. So the answer is we often play handball. Let's practice. Now you are supposed to place adverbs at their proper places in these sentences. Now Meenu gets angry. My principal has inspired me to work hard. I watch television late at night. Also, the dinner set is very expensive and Malwa Express is late. Now here you need to check what is the most appropriate place for these all adverbs which are given in the brackets. So pause your screen, try to answer. I will share the answers with you on your WhatsApp groups. Do solve some more exercises from your book and from other resources too. I hope you understand. Thank you.